Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to set up a custom sound for Spaces notifications on the X app. If you've been wanting a unique notification tone just for Spaces, so you can instantly know when those live conversations start, this guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, head over to your phone settings. This is where you'll be able to control all the apps installed on your device. Once you're in your settings menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section manages the details for every app on your phone. Next, look for the X app and tap on it. When you open it, you'll see options that allow you to customize how the app works on your device. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune what alerts you want to hear and how they sound. Inside the Notifications section, go ahead and tap on Notification Categories. This part lets you control different types of notifications individually, instead of making one setting for everything. Now, find and tap on Spaces. This is the category dedicated just to Spaces activity. By adjusting this, you'll only be changing how notifications for Spaces sound, leaving everything else untouched. Once you've opened the Spaces section, tap on Sound. This is where you'll choose the tone that plays whenever you receive a Spaces notification. Go through your available sounds and pick one that stands out to you, something that helps you immediately recognize when a new live conversation is happening. After you've made your choice, your settings will be saved automatically. That's it. You've successfully set a custom sound for Spaces notifications on the X app. From now on, whenever a Spaces alert comes through, you'll hear your chosen sound. It's a quick change, but it makes a big difference in helping you stay connected without missing out. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply these steps so your notifications work exactly the way you want them to.